When sellers receive an offer, many assume the hardest part is over. The home is under contract. A buyer has committed, and now it is simply a matter of getting to closing. But in reality, going under contract is not the finish line. It is the beginning of the next phase, because until contingencies are removed, a buyer often still has opportunities to renegotiate, delay, or walk away from the transaction entirely. That is why strategic sellers do not simply accept offers. They negotiate them, because how an offer is structured can significantly impact how protected you are once escrow begins. One of the first ways sellers protect themselves is by negotiating shorter contingency timelines. The longer a buyer has to complete inspections, secure financing, or review disclosures, the longer the seller remains exposed to uncertainty. Shorter contingency periods create accountability and reduce the window for unnecessary delays. Second, strong sellers evaluate the buyer's financial strength before accepting the offer. Not all pre-approval letters carry equal weight. A fully underwritten buyer is very different from a buyer who has only completed an initial lender conversation. That is why reviewing the quality of the lender, the buyer's down payment, and the overall financing profile matters. Third, sellers should pay close attention to appraisal risk. If an offer comes in aggressively above market value, a seller will want to understand, can this buyer cover an appraisal gap if the home does not appraise? Because without that protection, today's strong offer can quickly become tomorrow's price reduction request. Fourth, backup offers can create leverage. Many sellers assume once they are under contract, the conversation ends. But in some situations, maintaining backup interest can strengthen a seller's negotiating position if issues arise during escrow. And finally, experienced sellers understand that the best offer is not always the one with the highest price. It is the offer with the strongest overall probability of closing smoothly and on terms aligned with the seller's goals. Because a transaction that falls apart mid-escrow can cost more than money. It can cost time, momentum, and leverage when the home returns to market. The strongest sellers understand that accepting an offer is not about choosing who offers the most. It is about choosing the structure that best protects the outcome. If this is your first time here, I'm Pam Bazell, Transition Agent Realtor. We help Southern California homeowners navigate selling decisions in changing markets so they feel informed, prepared, and in control, regardless of headlines. If you're preparing to sell and want to understand how to evaluate and negotiate offers strategically, we can help. If this kind of insight is helpful, we invite you to subscribe for ongoing guidance designed for thoughtful, well-informed homeowners. And if you'd like to talk through your situation privately, you'll find a link below to schedule a complimentary 15-minute discovery call. Or if you prefer, you can call, text, or email us directly. No pressure, no persuading, just clarity, preparation, and discussion of smart next steps for your life's next chapter.